So what do you usually look for when, kunyari, an artist comes to you na maybe you can manage me? I mean, need ba sikat? Or do you also manage like new faces na makikita mo naman sa reel na, uy, okay pala
Well,
to.
nung una hindi. But after pandemic, parang sabi ko, baka it's time na for me to groom new artists. Ginagawa naman namin ngayon, no? So, meron na akong mga bago.
Sino yung mga bago nyo pa? Can you
Well,
tell
two
us?
of our artists will be performing later. Nisha Fabian. She's a
Nice.
skater, an actress, stage actress.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, she's a figure skater. She'll be singing later. And then si Kevin Almario. He's a singer-musician also. Very good singer. Siya yung mystery singer ng Itbulaga before.
Mhm.
So he's here with us tonight to perform, both of them. And then si Prince Kino, who's under Star Music.
Mhm.
So recording artist siya, pero artista rin. He's 16 years old. Napakagaling na bata. And then we have artists na nasa Star Kada, nasa Net25. And a few more na tinitrain din para maging magaling na artista. So, ano na eh, minsan it's not then, it's destiny. Kung ikaw, kung sa'yo yan. Basta as long as pinagsikapan mo. So it's, ano yan eh, work both ways. So kami as management and yung artista. So minsan kahit anong push group mo, kung hindi naman nagtatrabaho maayos yung artista, walang mangyayari.
Sir, for you po, ano yung pinaka-importanting work ethic ng isang talent, baguhan man, or matagal na?
Discipline. It starts with discipline. Kung wala ka nun, wala. Kasi doon nag-uugat lahat. If you're well-disciplined, you have the kindness of a good person, a good artist, alam mo yun, parang marespeto ka, and yun, disiplinado ka dapat sa kung anumang aspeto yung papasukin mo. Singer ka ba? Actress ka ba? Are you well-rounded? So,
Ano pong masasabi nyo ngayon? Kasi bilang matagal na sa industry na like recently may big crossovers like Catherine and Alden.
that's very good. That's very healthy. Sa industriya walang permanente. Parang everyone should be open to changes, and the world now is very diverse, lahat. And yun nga, isa pa yun, that's another word, change. So, basta for the better, lahat tayo sa industriya, if change is for the better, welcome yan.
Any particular pairings you want to see from both sides of the fence?
Si Kim Chiu parang hindi pa siya na-prepare
From the seven.
Si Kim kasi
Sa,
she's a good actress then at the same time. I think she's doing something with Paolo Avellino. Although Paolo naman is with ABS na, pero
Yes.
yes. Siya movie.
yeah. Sir, last question. Ano po yung legacy na gusto nyong maiwan sa industry?
Yung simple lang, yung meron ka na iambag sa industriya, meron akong natulungan. Kasi bottom line naman ng management is you organize the career of the artist. So pag meron akong natulungan at nakita kong maganda yung nangyari sa kanya, at pagdating ng future at nawala na ako, they look back, sino ba yung tumulong sa kanya? Sino yung umawak sa kanya? Isang Rams David.